Hey all! We've recently been given an Ortur R2 desktop laser to review. There are plenty of setup videos out there, so instead, we thought we'd focus more on actual engraving and share both the positive and negative aspects of this machine. So let's dive in. For safety features, the Ortur R2 is a Class 1 enclosed laser. There are flame sensors inside the machine and an emergency stop button on the top. The lid has an amber color which helps protect your eyes. And finally, if you lift the lid, the laser will automatically stop. There are multiple laser modules that can be purchased separately. We're using the 20-watt module. It also comes in a 10-watt as well as a 1.3-watt IR module. That's something you would use for metal engraving. These are not autofocus, but they are easy enough to manually focus on your material. It does have a touchscreen monitor on the front for different settings and can connect to your phone via a Wi-Fi and an app. However, the free software is very basic. Honestly, until they develop the software a little more, you're better off purchasing something like LightBurn. This is a very simple software which can be used by many diode lasers. Now, my favorite part of this laser is that you can remove the bottom to engrave on larger projects. This laser is lightweight with a small footprint, and it's easy to move around your workshop. We make a lot of large charcuterie boards, especially around the holidays. The ability to be able to personalize these or add custom design is really great. This can engrave on dimensional lumber too for furniture making. The laser does have a camera that's useful to guide you, but it's not 100% accurate, so be sure to preview your engraving area. Using the camera, you can really visualize the placement, size, and orientation of your design, which is very helpful. This was our first time engraving hardwood with this laser. Since we're using a dark walnut, we decided to try a high power and low speed to create a nice dark burn. I was very impressed with the engraving. It was very dark and pretty deep for a single pass. Definitely didn't need to be this deep for a regular engraving, but it would be perfect for an epoxy inlay. Just giving a quick sand to remove the burn residue from the surface. The details on this look great. For our charcuterie boards, we like to use an all-natural wood serum and conditioner by Bumbleshoot to protect and finish our boards. So we did more playing around to see how well this worked on other materials. As you can see, it's a nice dark engraving on bamboo cutting boards. This is another popular product for the holiday season. We did some slate coasters for an upcoming German Christmas market. You might start seeing a bit of a theme at this point. Yeah, this really came out nice. We had some large cork pieces that can be used for hot dishes. Our settings were really a little too high for this, and Jeff did forget to center the design. But a bit of light sanding really helped the engraving pop fairly well. Not bad at all. And finally, we tried stainless steel bar blades for bottle openers. We're still using the 20-watt module right now, and this is impressive. It's better than what we've gotten from our CO2 laser. So I'd like to say this isn't exactly beginner friendly, and you really need to purchase software like LightBurn at this point. However, it isn't hard to learn to use. It did a great job engraving everything we tried. It has a nice small footprint, which is a bonus for those with limited space in their workshop. And finally, it has a pretty budget-friendly price. We hope you found this video helpful. You can find more information about this in the description below. We'll see you next time.